All right, so this question says, what are the factors of the quadratic expression 2x squared minus 10x minus 12? And then what are the solutions of the equation? So in order to find the factors, we have been using the backwards box method. So we're going to set up our box. And to get the first term in the equation, that 2x squared is going to go in our first box. We do that by multiplying 2 times x. We know where our negative 12 goes in the box, which is right here. And to get a negative 12, it means that we're multiplying a positive by a negative term. And so we want to list the factors of a negative 12, which would be negative 4, positive 3, negative 4. We could also do 2 times 6, a negative 6, or a negative 2 times a positive 6. Now, we're going to have to test this out. So I'm going to test one that is not correct and then move to the others. Move to the correct one. So if I do a negative 4 here, this would give me negative 4, 2 times 4, that's negative 8x, and a positive 3 times x would be give me 3x here, which when I combine these is going to give me a negative 5x. I don't want a negative 5x, I want a negative 10x. All right, so that pair of factors does not work, which means let's try another pair. Let's do negative 6 and positive 2. See if that would get us closer to it. So this is like trial and error.
Hello, if there are any staff on campus, please remember to fill out your company nurse. And if you have done that, also please make sure you've done your temperature check. And more importantly, make sure you filled out that incentive form if you're coming in.
All right, so here's what we would do. 2 times negative 6 will give us a negative 12x. And then 2 times x will give us a positive 2x. And when we think about it, a negative 12x and a positive 2x gives us a negative 10x, which is what we want. So we have found our factors. So in the factored form of the expression, we're going to end up with an x minus 6 and 2x plus 2. For the factors, and then to solve, we're going to set these equal to 0. So we'll have our 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, subtracting 2 from both sides and dividing by 1. X is equal to negative 1. And for the other pair of factors, x minus 6 is equal to 0. We're adding 6 to both sides. So the solution is either x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to positive 6.